naam Rajika hai. I'm one of the co-founders here and I've worked with MHT for quite some time.
I'm Havisha and I have been associated as content director with MHT.
Hey guys, I'm Seema and I'm also one of the founding partners here at MHT.
हम बात करने वाले हैं about the pandemic, how it has affected our mental health, how India is coping with the pandemic in relation to mental health. And इसके लिए आज हम तीनों, the MHT team has come up to tell you a little bit about how MHT can help. क्या resources हमारे पास जो आपको help कर सकते हैं. But we have a very cool feature that we have recently launched, which is the support group for mental health today. So Havisha, you want to tell us a little bit about the support group?
Sure. So support group's intention is to basically support everyone right now, including ourselves, facilitators and everyone to come together and just share what we are going through, to learn from each other and to not feel alone. Right now, because there are so many, as Seema has mentioned, that sociological factors are affecting us. It's difficult to feel that connect. We wish to build that connect among that support group.
So on this note, Havisha, since we were talking about children and we were talking about, their routines and the screen time and all of that. So what do you think about the whole concept of online teaching?
So online teaching, kudos to all the teachers, schools, and how they modified the curriculum and adapted to the situation so quickly. I feel teachers and especially special educators, counselors in schools can conduct a lot of life skill classes, a lot of social emotional learning that can help children adapt to these difficult circumstances. There are lots of activities available, lots of resources available, and MHT is conducting such kind of workshops for schools. So please reach out to MHT also. We have lots of resources for you all.
I would like to, also mention about MHT store, and there are products for children and their development, as Havisha rightly told. And there are also resources for adults and, teenagers and even the elderly. So you can find resources related to anxiety, to brain development, mindfulness for children, and there are lots of journals also to explore. So definitely reach out.
So journalism is a tool that's really helpful because there is so much going on in our mind. There's like a whole humble jumble happening. There's so many knots, there's so many feelings, there's so many emotions. And as we said, your work, your home, your family, your friends, everything, so much grief. So journaling is something that always helps. Just writing down what you're feeling, what you're going through, how it will help, what are the outcomes that you can go through, how you can practice it. So writing sometimes is seen, it's very therapeutic. There are multiple researches on it. So adults, children, even elderly for that matter, can do something on journaling. So there are apps. We are in a digital world again. So there are apps that can help. There is Mind Alcove that can help. You can look at the link down below. If not, you can also just take a piece of paper and write. Just write about what you're feeling. It helps. So anybody who might be struggling, share it with them. Share it with your parents. Share it with the elderly. Look at what products are there for different age groups. We have resources for many, many, many different mental health related conditions.
Mental health professionals can also associate with us. We are a platform that helps promoting mental awareness in collaboration with professionals. So it'll be great to associate with you. Again, the details of the same would be shared in this post. And these are some of the ways that MHT is really helping out in the field of mental health.
Thank you so much for tuning in, and see you next time. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.